Hi guys, I know I have been quiet for the last couple days. I just came home from a scrapbook retreat and have been trying to get this craft space cleaned up and get everything from the retreat put away and get back to functional. I need to change all the paper on my desks because they are incredibly sticky and gross. And I have one little corner of the room to finish cleaning, and then I can be back to real work. But this project is coming up this week, and I want to show you what I ordered. So, I have some stuff for this project already, but some of it I had to order. So, let's see. These are just split rings in a couple of sorted sizes because I was out of larger ones. So, and I already have some tassels left over, so I'm just going to keep working from this batch of tassels. But these are where the fun is. These are pencil-shaped lip gloss holders. I will cut the wands out. Some of these are going to get filled with glitter and polyacrylic. Some of them are going to be like, like snow globes. So that is what these are. I don't really know what this piece is. I don't need them for what I'm doing. But, and this should be a package of keychain components because I am running low on those as well. So let's see. But we are going to be doing these in two different styles. Let's see. Keychain Parts. This was all I needed, was the rings and the hooks to do this particular project. So I'm going to get finished cleaning up and then get started on these to show you. So that's what's coming up next.